Hello, welcome to another video. Today we'll be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from FGNormal. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to FGNormal. And let's start with this one. I really like the box of this. I'm the tissue box. I don't know why that's amusing, but well, I guess you know what this is. Guess what? It's a tissue box. It's a nice box. It actually got to me in pretty decent shape here. So it does look like, so it's a plastic box, and it does look like the pattern is just put on with this, I guess it's just like some sort of sticker paper onto here, so that it could put the pattern on there. Does that line up? It'll be good enough. So yeah, plastic here, and then this looks to be some sort of, not wood, maybe it is the composite wood. I'm just making this up. Why are you watching? I'm making things up. So yeah, this one is a Peacock Tissue Box here. It's $13.99 in British pounds on the site, and it's about a 21 centimeter by 13 centimeter by about like 9.5 centimeters high. So decent size tissue box. It probably is too small. It's probably smaller than a US tissue box. So what I have been doing in the past for my tissue box is having to put take the tissues out of the box, out of like the, paper box that you get like your tissues, and put it in directly into here. So, yep. Actually kind of happy with this. It puts it on pretty easily. So, comes with ordinary toolkit, and looks like the drills are in these separate things, so it does look like the writing is just written in there. Someone wrote K here, so I don't know, maybe it had the wrong letter in there. F here. There's, I don't know what letter that says. W, if there's a W. Okay, this one says W too, so yep. And some green here, some yellow, blue, and this is a pretty kind of turquoisey color, and random mixture of white and black. I'm guessing it was supposed to be white, but so it has like two shapes in there, like a square and a triangle, so I think it means that one portion there is the black, and then the triangle is the white, so they didn't even separate this one out. But I think it's obvious what you need to do. So yeah, I think this one will turn out extra blingy if you like your peacocks. I have so far probably diamond painted a couple peacocks already in my diamond painting career. When I was first diamond painting, I swear, I think every other diamond painting available were peacocks, and then now there's like so many different kinds of things available. So yes, there's the first one, and I didn't show it, but I figured I should show this next one. This is not a diamond painting, but it's kind of diamond painting related. It's washi tape. There should be 10 pieces, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 pieces of glitter washi tape. This is on their site for $1.99. No, not $1. It's not in dollars. It's $1.99 in British pounds. I usually look at, say, the prices in the original currency, just because there is a conversion portion there with the currency, so you could convert it, but it's a guesstimate, the conversion, because, it all depends on what your credit card decides is the conversion rate. So yeah, some washi tape here. You can use this to cover the excess adhesive on the sides of your diamond painting, or what I like to do is use it to actually decorate after you're done if you're going to put it on, like, for whatever reason, I can't open this one, but just wanted to see how I see. So that first part here, I just wanted to see if the glitter would come off, and it doesn't seem like. So some nice glitter here. I would probably use these after I finish a diamond painting, to put it off to the sides so that, you know, you could frame it with a nice glittery side. So yeah, some nice colors here. And did I say this was $1.99 in pounds? And oh, the width of it, of one of them, is, it looks like 14 millimeters. Is it better as in inches? It's about half an inch. So, and I don't know how much is in here. It says it's 1.5 centimeters by 3 meters times 10 pieces. So I'm hoping that means that is 3 meters. So yeah, some glitter washi tape there. And this last item, I didn't get too many things in this unboxing, but some of them they're on the higher price range. So this one is $17.99 in pounds, and I'm just unrolling it here. So, ordinary toolkit, except there are black tweezers, and these are specials, and this is a clock. So it's this orchid here. Let me move you up here. So it doesn't look like it comes with a frame, but you could get a canvas, I guess. So it's like a little bit less than 30 by 39 and a half. So yeah, it's this orchid clock. I guess it's much bigger, so I need to move you up. It's this orchid clock here. It does look like there are 10 colors, and this does have the crystal code in there, it looks like. And yeah, now I think my plan is I'm going to put this onto a blank canvas so that I could put together the clock. See, this looks like it's the clock pieces right here. It does look like it needs a AA battery, and hopefully this will work. And I'm hoping some of the pieces look a little bent, so I'm hoping it will work. Worst case scenario, I could always buy a clock, one of these things, on my own, and like I said, hopefully it works. I will try to put this together for the end of the video. But yeah, it's just a simple orchid clock here. The symbols look actually pretty decent, normal. I don't see anything wrong with it. The canvas is cut like right here. So my whole plan was I was gonna like put this onto my canvas and just, I don't know, maybe do that wrap around the canvas and staple it on, but I might not be able to do it with the canvas cut here. So maybe I'll just do paste it onto the canvas. So let's see, some really beautiful teardrops here, some gold drills, it looks like some black AB drills, and then some pink rhinestones, and green rhinestones, and then a lot of clear rhinestones here. So yeah, this looks like it will be a quick project. The hardest part will actually be the putting it on the canvas to put it on the clock. So in case, oh, and this one is $17.99 in the UK pounds. And so if you don't remember everything that was in this unboxing here is the clock, the washi tape, and the tissue box. So I will work on finishing these items, and I'll see you later. So I'm back, and here is the Peacock Tissue Box here. It's appropriately blingy here. I did seal this already, because I was going to seal a bunch of other things, so I was just like, let's just seal this too. Oops, one came off. But it's sealed already, so it's not going to be sticky. So, oops. I have this glue pen here, and supposedly if you put it in while it's still wet, it should be a more permanent adhesive, so let's hope that. Obviously I didn't do that good of a sealing, or it just wasn't plunked in. Like with something like this, you can't really roll it with a rolling pin. I tried. I was just like, okay, so not surprised something fell off. So yeah, my mom did this one. I do notice that she did put some that were, I'm not sure if you could tell, that the drill was something I wouldn't normally use. It looks like the silvering's on the wrong side, but that's all my mom enjoyed, and she's happy with the result. I'm okay with it. So yeah, it's really cute. So the tissue box is 13 by 21 by 9. It had 9 colors with 2 rhinestones, regular size rhinestones, and 7 specials. My mom took this 2 days to complete this. My mom actually made a comment to me and said that she had a hard time seeing the symbols for the green drills. So unfortunately I don't have what it was, because this didn't come with a legend, but I remember seeing it, and the drill field for this green here was just like the letter, but it was like a gray color instead of black, and it was just green on the background. It's the same background here, so it was just like the letter with the outline, you know, the guide circle, and it was actually pretty difficult to read because it was like a light gray color. It was like a gray color instead of a black color, so it wasn't as easy to see. So my mom was just like, I just kind of put it in there. I don't know if it's wrong. That's what my mom said. She's like, but everything else, I think she didn't have any real issues on there. But yeah, no, it's beautiful. So next one is this one here. This is supposed to be a clock. It does come with some clock stuff with it. It's just still not in clock form. I haven't gone and done it yet. So this one is a 30 by 39.5. It has 10 colors, and I failed at putting in things. So 7 of them were crystal rhinestones. It looks like there's 1 AB, that's 1 AB, 1 AB, and 2 special shapes. So yes, and my mom took 1 day to complete this one. And my plan for this is to put it onto a stretch canvas. So I have this 12 by 16 inch blank canvas, and I think I just got this at Walmart. And I got it like a while back, or did I get it from Walmart or Michael's? I got it a while back, and I'm planning to put this on to this canvas, but not in this video. It'll be a separate video, so it could be more of a how to put something on a stretch canvas, even though I might fail. But I will make a nice attempt. You see, had this not had the black thing and anything written, you could probably just like staple it and do that and stretch it on there. But with all this extra stuff, I mean, I guess I could paint over it and do that, what I'm saying, but I think what I'm just going to do is cut it out and paste it onto here. I have done it in the past and it's worked out for me. So yeah, but that will be in a future video when I get around to doing it. I've already sealed this, so I'm hoping, no, I didn't seal this. Oh, because I was going to seal it after I put it on the canvas. Never mind, I sealed this because I can't remember things anymore. But yeah, that's a future video, so at some point when I get around to making it, you will see it. So, and hopefully this will not get dirty at the in the meantime. So yeah, now this one is beautiful. It's just a simple kind of orchid picture here. And my mom had no complaints. I kind of like this AB drill that was used for the stem. It kind of looks green, but yet it looks blingy. And I do like the gold drills on here. So yeah, no, I think once I get around to making the clock, which is because, you know, it takes construction and time and sealing, I'll get around to it and I'll make the video. So yeah, so here is the 2 items finished for here. So thank you to my mom for diamond painting these. And then thank you to FGNormal for sending these items for review. And thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye!